Okay, so this is another ceiling fan video. Let me just down from here. Yeah, I got a lot. Hi Keegan. Oh, hi Hadley. So this is another ceiling fan video because I haven't made very ceiling fan related videos recently. All I did was just alphabet lore stuff. I'm super mad at it. So here's another ceiling fan video, I guess. No, Hadley, stop! No! Stop biting the. You can't bite the camera like that. What's wrong with you? Why are you blocking the way up the stairs? Tell me. I think she wants belly rubs.
Just the belly rub. Just the belly rub.
Make sure not to push her down.
Yeah, because she's on the side and she can get really hot if she hit her head.
Oh, look at that happening.
Puppy fast. Puppy.
That's like the fastest puppy ever.
Puppy fast. Puppy fast.
What? Wait, why are you so inappropriate today? Okay, this is our first ceiling fan. Hold on, take your ceiling fan off. Okay, better brace yourself because I played a new game called Perfect Apocalypse. At least my brother played it. What's up, Harry? Oh. So, as you guys all know, the ceiling fan, company Harbor Breeze is like my favorite. It started off as the old Alan Roth, ceiling fan company, but then it changed to Harbor Breeze. I mean, yeah, that's definitely like Harbor Breeze was that time where the Harbor Breeze Impact came out and all that. So, we got the Fanmation, 5-blader, the, Harbor Breeze 3-blader, the Home Decorators 3-blader, and there's some more fans upstairs actually. I think I showed you that in my previous ceiling fan videos. I can't breathe. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, Hadley. Hadley. Hey, get away from my penis. Okay. Cute little doggo. Aww. Hi, Hadley. Oh, wag your tail, Hadley. Because today's going to be a new day. Where the heck are the Cheez-Its? Oh. What the heck? Didn't even know. I think Hadley chewed on this, actually. Wait, why would Hadley chew on glass? That just doesn't make sense. You know what? I have been pretty much looking at some new videos of the Harbor Breeze Impact. But whatever. I mean, who knows? And this is actually the second time I have made a video for the house. But I have no idea what is like. This is like the most weirdest place ever. Like, yeah. Hey, Hadley. Okay, let me turn on the ceiling fan here with the switch. Okay, wait. Did I forget to set the speed? Let's try low. It's moving. Now for the. Wait, let's do high. Look at that. Okay, ceiling fan on high. Now for the higher breeze. 1. make it go high speed, you only have to pull the chain like one time. Although I can only hold the camera with two hands, so I'm gonna have to set it down like this. This is like. Let me just. The fan is on high. So, it's a ceiling fan, it's kind of breezy. Oh god, that fan makes noises. Maybe I shouldn't have it on high speed. Actually, let's try low speed. Because that actually climbs on the ceiling. Yeah, let's try them both on low speed. So this is like, here's my brother here. Wait a second. What is that background? Let me look at it. Hold up. Perfect apocalypse! Oh my goodness. Okay, so I prepare myself. So, the innovation lab, right? I gotta keep working hard till I get money. Cause I actually work at Innovation Incorporated to make ceiling fans, right? I got too excited because of that background. So anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And remember, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you don't miss another video. Thank you.